Hello, I'm Insurance Commissioner and State Fire Marshal Mike Causey. I want to thank everyone who helped make Smoke Alarm Saturday 2021 a huge success. First, I'd like to thank Kidde Fire Systems for donating 540 smoke alarms to fire departments in the Triad area. These smoke alarms have a 10-year lithium battery. Homeowners won't have to change the batteries for a decade.
No family should ever have to choose between buying food for their family or life safety. No single individual should ever have to make a decision between buying medicine or having a working smoke alarm. And this is exactly why we are here.
Next, thanks to Home Depot for hosting our event in 5 locations across the state. We appreciate Home Depot's support in setting up smoke alarms Saturday and the displays in their main entrance of the stores, as well as offering discounts on Kidde smoke alarms. And finally, a special thank you to the firefighters, volunteers, and OSFM staff across North Carolina who spent their Saturday going door to door to check homes and install new smoke alarms where needed. 82 fire departments in 46 counties participated in this event. We checked 3,473 homes. 639 homes had no smoke alarms, and 2,933 new smoke alarms were installed in just one day. So this was a great day for fire safety, and we hope to continue this momentum throughout the year. Smoke alarms save lives. They cut your chances of dying in a home fire in half. I'm State Fire Marshal Mike Causey. Thank you, and God bless.